Hi, mystery writers. Today we're going to talk about something very important for mysteries, and that's how to end your mystery. But first, I want to thank my patrons for their continued support. And if you would like to support these videos, please consider becoming a patron. All right, so how to end your mystery. Basically, you want to give your readers what they want. Mystery readers love solving a puzzle, and they want to solve the whodunit before your sleuth, but in reality, they are disappointed in your writing if they do. Mystery readers love guessing. That's the main reason they're there, reading your mystery. So you spend most of your mystery developing that puzzle. In Act 1, your sleuth is called to action to find the murderer, and can be many different ways, but your sleuth gets involved in solving the murder. In Act 2, your sleuth explores the victim's world, gets to know the victim, gets to know their world, and discovers the possible suspects who are related to the victim. In Act 3, after the midpoint, your sleuth discovers that maybe the way he or she was pursuing this wasn't the right way, and they have to rethink everything and start looking at new possibilities. And then in Act 4, your sleuth eliminates the various suspects and hones in on the killer. And at the end, your sleuth puts the pieces together to reveal the killer. And that's what your reader loves. And that's why you want to save that reveal until the very end of your story. You've planted the clues and the evidence and tested your sleuth with red herrings, and you've kept your reader guessing. And now you want to give your reader the surprise, the reveal, who did it. And for mystery readers, the surprise reveal is the end. So you want to wrap up your subplots before the reveal. When a reader discovers the killer in their mind, the story is over. That's the way the minds of mystery readers work. The story's over once there is a reveal. So if a reader sees pages and pages and pages more after they've discovered the killer, they may stop reading right there. For a mystery reader, they've got what they came for, the mystery. And that's why it's important to tie up those loose ends of subplots before your final reveal. Your reader, after the reveal, has that final piece. And any delay in getting to the end of your story can leave your reader dissatisfied. Even though, you did the reveal, you guided them through the puzzle. If you have more and more and more after that reveal, your reader's going to leave with a sense of dissatisfaction. They may not know why, but the reason is, that's the reason, is, wait, the mystery solved. Why do I need to read more? And an unsatisfied reader will not want to read more of your books and leave less positive reviews. So it's really to your advantage to satisfy your reader and bring that story to a conclusion after your sleuth has revealed the killer. So give your reader the reward they want from reading your mystery. And to give your reader the best satisfaction with your mystery, help them get to the conclusion. So here's a few steps you can take to make sure that you're giving your reader that mystery reader satisfaction. So 1, tie up those loose ends before the reveal. In many novel formats, the conclusion can tie up many subplots and emotional challenges for the main character. but not in a mystery. Mystery readers want the reveal, and then they're done. So tie up your subplots, love interests before the reveal. Wrapping up those loose ends before the reveal creates tension. They still haven't found out who did it. So keep that tension going till the reveal. And you're going to keep your reader reading until you give them that reveal. And any dastardly deeds that your villain does, do them before the reveal. I've seen this happen. If your sleuth and your reader know who the killer is, don't prolong the ending by creating a new sequence where the killer threatens the love interest or otherwise creates an entire new episode in your story. Even though it may appear to you that you're ratcheting up the tension, you're not. Once that reveal happens, the mystery's over as far as your reader is concerned. The tension for the reader is in solving the puzzle. And once the killer's revealed, end the story. Okay, so number 3, make the reveal the high point of your story. Making the reveal the high point of your mystery will keep you from inserting more action sequences after. Get the killer to their just rewards, like imprisonment, as quickly after his confrontation with your sleuth. So once you have that reveal scene, make everything come to a conclusion. And then just number 4, finish the story. Bring your story to a quick end after that reveal. Let the story be. It should come to a natural conclusion so your reader enjoys a sense of completion at the end of your story. That's so important for their emotional tie to your story, for that feeling that they finish your story and they feel good about it and was like, whoa, I never guessed that that person was the one who did it. Give them that satisfaction. That's what mysteries are all about. The puzzle and the solution to the puzzle. And once you provide that solution, that mystery is done. Wrap it up. So bring your mystery to a close after the reveal gives your reader a strong sense of satisfaction. So bring the enjoyment they felt as they puzzled over the solution to a satisfying conclusion. Give your reader one final glimpse of your sleuth after that reveal, and then let go. The story has ended. Okay, I hope this helps. I've read some mysteries by writers who don't do that, and I know for me as a mystery lover, I love reading mysteries, that I always get that kind of unsatisfied feeling because the writer has dragged the story on after the solution to the puzzle. And that is the main reason readers love mysteries. They love puzzling it out. They love following the sleuth along as the sleuth tries to figure out who did it. And once that happens, in a reader's mind, that is the end. So you want to make your story meet your reader's expectation. The end, the solution, is the end. So quickly close your mystery. Okay, that's it. And then I wanted to talk about a little bit about Audible, because Audible has this great thing which they have called exclusives. Those are stories that you can find only on Audible, and they aren't available anywhere else. I just listened to John Scalzi's Murder by Other Means as an Audible exclusive. It's really fun. It's an edgy, fast-paced mystery. So you can get your 30-day free trial by going to the link below in the description and enjoy not only some of your favorite authors, but authors in Audible exclusives where you won't find those stories anywhere else. All right. Thank you for being here, and I will see you next time. Keep writing.